So we have our robots appearing randomly, great, but we do definitely want the robot to destroy the spaceship, right? If it touches the spaceship, because we're going to have it shooting bullets out. And if you don't destroy the robots, then you should be destroyed. So how would we get that done? Well, let's go ahead and click over here to the spaceship. And what you want to do is you want to have a green flag clicked, and you need a forever loop going on. So let's go to control, and we'll have a forever. And the forever is going to check, so let's say if. And what you want to do is go here to sensing and say if touching a robot, then I want to delete myself. So I want to go to looks and hide. And another cool thing which you should probably do is possibly create a costume, right? Like an explosion costume, and and then you can have that appear. So if I have, oh, I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and click on the pencil tool. If I click, have an explosion costume. Of course, this is very rudimentary and doesn't look very good. But if we had this kind of a costume, then we can come here, and instead of hiding, before we hide, we could say looks, switch to costume, B, right? And maybe we could play a sound like a zoop or a explosion. And maybe you can even possibly spin around for a couple of times, right? So let's go ahead and then put a repeat here. So switch costume, play the sound, repeat, and on there under the motion we could say turn a couple of degrees, right? So it's going to turn like it's spinning out of control, and then it's going to hide. Right? So let's go ahead and try that. Ooh, but we want to switch him to the first costume to start off, of course. So let's come back here, and when green flag's clicked, we want to use costume A. So we press start, and we're waiting for a robot. Oh no, it's coming closer. Oh no. Well, the robot's disappearing, so it's not registering the touch here on the spaceship. So how can we fix that? Well, maybe we can come here and you could say if touching then, and then we can maybe just wait for a split second. Right? So let's wait for like 0.1 seconds before deleting the clone, which gives time for the spaceship to register that it touched the robot. Okay, so let's go ahead and run that. Okay, so there we go.